Hi there, students. Louche, louche. Okay, louche is an adjective. You could have the adverb louchely. And I guess as well the noun loucheness would be uncountable, the noun for the quality. Okay, if you describe somebody as louche or something as louche, you're saying it's not completely honest, or a person is not completely moral, but maybe perhaps rather attractive. Yeah, so a bit knavish. So it's quite fun to go to a louche nightclub. Yeah, it's not exactly a good upright place, but it does have an appeal to it. It's disreputable. So the louche world of the record industry, for example. Yeah, if you describe someone as louche, you're saying they're unconventional, they're not respectable, but this is actually rather attractive as well. So you can use louche to describe both people and places and things. Yeah, he was a louche trader who it was fun to see what he had, but you had to be very careful because maybe what you would end up buying something dodgy from him, maybe something that had been stolen, or it wasn't really the real McCoy. Okay, so louche, it's got this idea of questionable taste, questionable morality. Yeah, he dresses very louchely. Yeah, so it's really rather unconventional, but it looks quite good. Yeah. Okay, so this is a rather louche area of the city. Um, the uh, the louche source of his goods made me wonder what would happen if I bought any of them. So disreputable, shady, yeah. Or maybe there were louche paintings on the wall of the nightclub. Yeah, maybe a little bit immoral, or maybe rather gaudy and flash, or something like that. Okay, notice as well, louche, we can actually use this as a verb. Let's see, if you've ever drank pastis or ouzo or something like that, if you add water to it, it goes cloudy. Yeah, you add a little bit of water to it and it's got this cloudy effect. Absinthe or pastis. And this is the louche effect. So you pour water into it and the drink louches. Yeah, but okay, I think maybe we put that aside because most people in the UK don't drink pastis. Okay, so something that's louche, something that's disreputable. Yeah, he's louchely attractive. Yeah, so knavish. Um, yeah, something that is louche but still fashionable at the same time. It's disreputable, but then very often disreputable things are quite fun. Yeah, it was knavish. Yeah, he rakish. His louche attitude to authority made everybody laugh. Yeah. Okay. So the loucheness of his attitude, yeah, is quite fun. So let's see, formality. I think I'm going to give this a 5 in formality. I think used absolutely anywhere. And then as to origin, it comes from French, louche, meaning okay, I think meaning cloudy, which actually comes from Latin. Um, this a Latin phrase talking about blind in one eye, or rather blind. So, louche, a louche attitude, a louche lifestyle, living not in a conventional way, but definitely rather attractive as well. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Louche.